Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the S3 replication and S3 lifecycle rule. So first open the AWS management console and click on the S3 service. As you can see, I have already created two buckets. One is in Mumbai region, other one is in North Virginia region. So first click on first bucket, then click on upload. Select the file which you want to upload. I have selected one image. Click on upload. The object will be uploaded to your S3 bucket, which is in the Mumbai region. Now click on management, create lifecycle rule. Enter the name for the lifecycle. I am entering bucket life rule. You can enter anyone. Select on apply all the objects in the bucket. You can also apply the filter. Acknowledge this. Then lifecycle rule section. First is move current version of object between storage class. So it will only move the current version object. Second is move non-current version of object. Third is expire current version of object. And fourth is permanently delete non-current version of object. We will select move current version of object, and we need to select to which class we want to move the object. So I am selecting intelligent tiering, and number of days 30. So after 30 days it will be moved. Click on create rule. Now we will learn about cross region replication. So we will need two buckets. One bucket is in Mumbai region, another one is North Virginia region. Click on the first bucket. So here I have already uploaded one object. Click on management, replication rule. Enter the rule ID or name for it. I am entering bucket 1 to 2. Status keep it enable as default. Source bucket will be the bucket in which we are creating the rule. Rule scope will be apply for all object. Now we need to select destination bucket. Click on browse S3. Select the second bucket. Choose path. We will need to create IAM role, so we will create a new role. Keep it default, this all settings, and click on save. Now it will ask for replicate existing object which are stored in bucket, so we will select no. Click on submit. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.